Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario 64 on your PSP. First, ensure your PSP has custom firmware, which is crucial for running unofficial software. Next, you'll need a specific Nintendo 64 emulator designed for the PSP. Finally, you must legally acquire the Super Mario 64 game ROM. These three components are the foundation for enjoying this classic title on your portable device, offering a unique gaming experience on the go. Setting up your PSP involves two key steps. Begin by installing custom firmware, which unlocks your device's full potential for running emulators and other homebrew applications. There are many guides available online to help you with this process. Once your PSP is ready, download a suitable Nintendo 64 emulator package. Transfer this emulator to the game folder on your PSP's memory stick. Always double-check that the emulator version supports your particular PSP model for optimal performance and stability. Now, let's get the game itself. You must legally obtain the Super Mario 64 game ROM. Once you have the file, connect your PSP to your computer using a USB cable. Navigate to the emulators folder on your PSP's memory stick and locate the ROMs or Games subfolder. Transfer your Super Mario 64 ROM file into this specific directory. Make sure the ROM is in a compatible format, such as a N64 or Z64 file, for the emulator to recognize it properly. With everything in place, it's time to play. On your PSP, go to the game menu and then select Memory Stick. You should see your Nintendo 64 emulator listed there. Launch the emulator, and it will display a list of games you've added. Select Super Mario 64 to begin your adventure. If you experience any slowdowns, explore the emulator's settings. Adjusting options like frame skipping or resolution can significantly improve gameplay, aiming for a smoother experience around 30 frames per second.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.